Hi boys and girls, my name is Miss Nancy. You might know me as Naturalist Nancy, and I'm here today to share with you a little about my love of birds. I have something called, it's a Berg Identifier is the name. You can buy these at nature stores, at hobby stores. You can find them at nature centers. I like these because they're very durable. This was made, it has a little plastic case. They also come with these really cool little cards that you can just kind of slide in. And it's a expense, you know, but it's really great because you can also buy extra cards. And oh, I have cards here, I collect them. I have all sorts of different backyard bird cards. I have raptor cards. Oh, here's something else I purchased, and again, this is kind of neat because it's like a collar and a book all in one. These are called Backyard Bird Songs Guides. And for example, I was out at DeGraff Nature Center not too long ago with my dog, and I heard this. I heard that and I thought, what is that? It sounded familiar, but then it made this sound. Oh, I've heard it. Oh, I know, it's a woodpecker now. And it was followed by that drumming sound. So that was helping me identify this bird as the northern flicker. But you know what? You can call birds without having to spend a lot of money. These are so cool to make. And so I just wanted to give you this little tip. If you have a piece of wood around in your basement, in your garage, and ask your mom or dad if they think it's a hard wood. Sometimes you might have an oak tree out in your yard and a branch falls down. Use some of that branch because oaks are hard wood. Also, cherry is a good one as well, like a cherry tree is a hard wood. But I happen to have a piece. It was 1 by 1 inch. It was a big long rod, and I cut it to a size that I could hold in my hand easily. And then I went to the store and I bought for 50 cents, just 50 cents, a little bolt. And this one is, oh, let's see what the size of it is. It says DS. I don't know, but you can have them different sizes. I wanted mine to be a little chunky, you know, because I thought, I wonder what that would sound like in the wood. Then I went ahead and I drilled a hole. You see, I'm going to put these side by side. This hole, it pretty much matches the size of that. If anything, you want the hole to be slightly smaller. Now, this isn't a screw, it's a bolt. See, it doesn't have a pointy tip on it. So I'm going to put it inside here. Now listen to this. As I twist, listen what happens because it's hardwood. Listen, oh, do you hear that? You can actually call a bird.
Now let's go outside.